In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Courier Guy for WooCommerce. By the end, you'll have the Courier Guy shipping method installed and ready to use in your store's checkout. Start by opening your WooCommerce site and signing in to the WordPress dashboard. From the menu on the left, click Plugins. Think of this as the control center for everything you add to your site. Click Add New, then use the search bar to type Courier Guy. When you see the official Courier Guy plugin in the results, select it, click Install, and then activate. Give it a moment to finish. A quick tip here. Before you activate, glance at the compatibility notice and make sure it matches your current WooCommerce version. That small check helps you avoid conflicts or odd behavior later. With the plugin active, head back to the left-hand menu, click WooCommerce, and open Settings. Go to the Shipping tab. This tab controls how shipping appears to your customers and which options they'll see at checkout. WooCommerce organizes this with shipping zones. A zone is simply a rule that matches a customer's location to the shipping methods you want to offer. Clear, well-designed zones keep your rates predictable and your checkout experience smooth. Click Add Zone to create a new area for your store. On the zone screen, click Add Shipping Method. From the list of available methods, choose Courier Guy, then click Continue. Now give your zone a clear, recognizable name so you can identify it quickly later. Naming by region or service area works well, and remember, the name is for your reference only, so pick something meaningful to your setup and easy to maintain. When you're happy with the details, click Save Changes. Saving locks in the connection between the zone and the Courier Guy method so it can appear at checkout. At this point, Courier Guy is connected to the zone you created. Customers whose addresses fall within that zone will see Courier Guy as an option during checkout. If you ever need to adjust anything, click Edit next to the zone or the shipping method. This is the place to fine-tune details or rename the zone for clarity. It's normal to revisit these settings as your shipping needs evolve, and having clear names will make updates faster and troubleshooting easier. That's it. Your WooCommerce store now includes the Courier Guy shipping method inside a shipping zone. If something doesn't look right at checkout, double-check that the correct zone is in place and that Courier Guy is selected as the shipping method within that zone. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined shipping setup.